We love hummus, but hate paying full price for it. So here's how I've been making mine at home. Recipes at the end to screenshot. We're going to start out by roasting a red pepper. Make sure you check out my hack on how I cut my peppers. It's pretty cool. We're spraying them with a little bit of oil, putting it into my air fryer on roast for 8 minutes. You could do more or less. And then we're going to add all of the rest of the ingredients right into the blender pitcher. Now this blender actually comes with a cooking guide with lots of get started recipes, and then you can kind of customize it to what you like. And this is one of those recipes that I started from a base and then customized it based on what I like. So that also means I started with only one of the 3 sections of peppers to get going. And we're putting our tamper in. We're going to push it down as things start to move up. It's going on the grind setting. I ended up using the entire pepper to get that nice color and then gave it a little taste. Oh man, it was so good. And am I cleaning that blender? Heck no! It's going to clean itself while I give this hummus a try. Get ready to screenshot for the recipe. Now. Like and follow for more.